Hi guys, last night I did the excavator from the Wizz Toys 3D Puzzle Construction Trucks series, and I struggled a bit. The instructions I think are best described as minimalist. Yeah, not entirely clear. Anyway, tonight we'll have a go at the steam train. Cost me £1.19 in Biology, which is one of those shops that sells what I would call bankrupt stock, end of line, surplus stock, that sort of thing, from various places. I don't think they actually have stuff made for themselves. But I have done some Wizz toys before. These are paper-covered foam, and they do have a pullback motor. It doesn't show it anywhere, and it doesn't mention it, and there's no other instructions. But I managed to figure it out. I'll just drop the camera down a little bit. I think that might be better like that. And we'll see how we get on. It is one of those ones you just follow the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And they're all numbered. So, where's number 1? Number 1. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do step 1. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, step 2. And then sort of stick them together. And as I say, it doesn't show you putting the motor in. So step 1, part 1, where are you? 1. So which one's 1? We got 1. This is the bit that holds the motor in place. And 3 holds the motor in place. As I say, it doesn't tell you that. But for demonstration purposes, that will go, that little sticky out bit goes in that slot there. And that slightly bigger one goes in there. Yeah, I think it's actually saying that that is part 2. Yeah. But it doesn't tell you that anywhere. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the sides. That's 5. That's 4. And there are little bits you have to poke out which are not entirely clear. Okay. We know that that's got to go there. So that must be that one. Didn't want to go in. I might have it upside down. No, I can't have it upside down because that axle wouldn't line up with the hole otherwise. Okay, so there's our motor. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is next. Right, which way round's that going to go? Showing it that way round. Oh, I see. Those are going to go over. Those holes should line up there. And somehow you ought to get those in there. Did it? So that's step 1 completed. Step 2. That's 8. Seven. So that's going to go in there. and 8. Sometimes they go in all right, and sometimes they don't. That one does not want to go in. Right, in. That was 7 and 8, 9. I'm going to pull that out. 10 at the front of it. Right, that's in there. Now pop that back in there. Going to end up pushing that down too hard, aren't I? Okay. That was 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Must be on the other piece. Yeah, there's 11. What's that piece? 16. Okay. 11. No bits to punch out. So that's going to sit there. 12. Oh. Right, that clearly goes on there, on there, and that goes on there. Right. Oh, popped it out of that one. That does not want to go in there. Maybe I'm a bit of a perfectionist. That's falling apart now. We were all right. Right, okay. What's left? That piece, 15, and that piece, 16. 16 is the one at the front. 15 is the one behind. Right, that's that part done. Now we got these to go on. I'll get a little hammer and a piece of wood. That's not working very well. I don't want to overdo it because they usually break if you wind them up too far. Hear it clicking. Yeah, I reckon we got a 41 there. Hear that click? Yeah. Oh, that's better. It's freeing up. All right, it might work. Clean all the bits out of the way. So there we are. Steam train. Oh, not the camera, sorry about that. Okay, it works. So that's about half an hour, slightly less, 20 minutes. And as I say, same as the previous one, it doesn't actually tell you to put the motor in. I think number 2 is the motor, but you'd need very good eyesight to be able to work that out. Nothing on here says number 2 is the motor. Nothing on there says it's a pullback toy, but it is. PMSB2B.com. Wizz toys, made in China. Job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.